Saying the name sends a shiver of excitement down my spine. This isn't just another capital city, this is the soul of Vietnam, a place where centuries-old traditions collide with modern energy, creating a captivating rhythm that's impossible to resist. From the moment you step foot on its chaotic yet charming streets, you're enveloped in a sensory overload. The scent of fragrant street food mingles with the aroma of incense burning in ancient temples. The sounds of motorbike horns blend with the melodic chants of street vendors, creating a symphony unique to Hanoi. Hanoi is a city that gets under your skin, that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place where history whispers from every corner, where the food is a delicious adventure, and where the people welcome you with open arms. This is Hanoi, the beating heart of Vietnam, and this is why it's a city you absolutely have to experience. Hanoi's history is a captivating tapestry woven over 1,000 years. This ancient city has witnessed dynasties rise and fall, endured wars and occupations, and emerged as a symbol of Vietnamese resilience. As you wander through the old quarter with its narrow alleys and traditional shophouses, you're walking through centuries of history. Each building, each temple, each street corner has a story to tell. From the ancient citadel, a testament to the city's former glory, to the temple of literature, a sanctuary of knowledge and learning, Hanoi's past is ever present. Explore the Ho Lo prison, a poignant reminder of the country's struggle for independence, or visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, where the revered leader rests. In Hanoi, history isn't just confined to museums, it's alive and breathing in every nook and cranny. Hanoi is a city brimming with iconic landmarks, each whispering tales of its storied past. Start your journey at the serene Hoan Kiem Lake, nestled in the heart of the city. Legend has it that a giant turtle gifted a magic sword to Emperor Loloi, who used it to defeat the Chinese invaders. Today, the lake, with its picturesque Indulge Sun Temple perched on a tiny island, is an oasis of peace amidst the bustling city. No trip to Hanoi is complete without getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of the old quarter. Each street, named after the craft guilds that once thrived there, offers a glimpse into the city's mercantile past. Don't miss the Bach Ma Temple, dedicated to the city's protector god, and the impressive St. Joseph's Cathedral, a stunning example of French colonial architecture. Hanoi is a city that tantalizes your taste buds. Forget fancy restaurants and Michelin stars. The real culinary magic happens on the streets. Pull up a plastic stool at a street-side stall and prepare to be amazed. Hanoi's street food scene is a symphony of flavors, a delicious assault on your senses. Start with a steaming bowl of pho, the soul-satisfying noodle soup that's Hanoi's most famous culinary export. Savory broth, tender rice noodles, and your choice of meat or tofu create a symphony of flavors. Don't miss the banh mi, a crusty baguette filled with savory fillings like grilled pork, pickled vegetables, and cilantro, a delicious fusion of French and Vietnamese cuisine. And for something truly unique, try the Bun Cha, grilled pork patties served with cold vermicelli noodles and dipping sauce. Section 5. The Soul of Hanoi. Culture and Traditions. Hanoi's cultural tapestry is as rich and vibrant as its history. From ancient temples to traditional water puppet shows, the city offers a captivating glimpse into Vietnamese culture. Start your cultural exploration at the Temple of Literature, a serene oasis dedicated to Confucius and scholars. Wander through its tranquil courtyards, admire the ancient stelae honoring past scholars, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. Experience the magic of water puppetry, a unique Vietnamese art form dating back to the 11th century. Watch in awe as colorful puppets controlled by skilled puppeteers hidden behind a screen enact scenes from Vietnamese folklore and history. And don't miss the chance to witness a traditional Vietnamese water puppet show, a unique and entertaining art form that dates back centuries. Section 6. Hanoi, After Dark, a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets over Hanoi, the city transforms into a vibrant tapestry of lights and sounds. The streets come alive with locals and tourists alike, eager to soak up the city's electric atmosphere. Night markets spring up, offering everything from souvenirs and clothing to delicious street food and local crafts. The air crackles with energy, and the city pulses with a rhythm all its own. For a taste of Hanoi's nightlife, head to the Bia Hoi corner where locals gather to sip on fresh beer and share stories. Or explore the city's burgeoning craft beer scene with trendy bars popping up in hidden alleyways and along the shores of West Lake. Whether you're looking for a lively night out or a more relaxed evening, Hanoi After Dark has something to offer everyone. Section 7. The Rhythm of the City, Modern Life in Hanoi. Hanoi is a city where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in a captivating dance. While the city proudly preserves its heritage, it's also a thriving metropolis, embracing the future. Skyscrapers pierce the sky alongside ancient pagodas, and bustling shopping malls stand in stark contrast to the traditional shophouses of the Old Quarter. The streets are a symphony of motion, a chaotic yet strangely harmonious blend of motorbikes, cars, bicycles, and pedestrians. The energy is palpable, a constant reminder that Hanoi is a city on the move, constantly evolving and adapting. Yet, amidst the hustle and bustle, there's a sense of community, a shared spirit that binds the people of Hanoi together. Section 8. Beyond the Tourist Trail, Hidden Gems of Hanoi. While Hanoi's iconic landmarks are a must-see, venturing beyond the well-trodden tourist path reveals a different side to the city. Explore the tranquil shores of West Lake, Hanoi's largest freshwater lake, and escape the hustle and bustle of the city center. Visit the serene Tran Quoc Pagoda, one of the oldest and most beautiful temples in Vietnam, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. For a glimpse into Hanoi's artistic side, visit the Fine Arts Museum, home to an impressive collection of Vietnamese art from various periods. And for a unique shopping experience, head to the Hanoi Ceramic Mosaic Mural, a 4-kilometer-long ceramic mural depicting the history of Hanoi, and browse the stalls selling handcrafted ceramics and souvenirs. Section 9. The People of Hanoi, Warmth and Hospitality. No trip to Hanoi is complete without experiencing the warmth and hospitality of its people. The Hanoians are known for their friendliness, their infectious smiles, and their willingness to help, even if you don't speak a word of Vietnamese. From the street vendors who greet you with a cheerful "Xin Chào" to the locals who go out of their way to point you in the right direction, you'll feel welcome everywhere you go. Take the time to interact with the locals, to learn a few Vietnamese phrases, and to experience the true spirit of Hanoi. Join a cooking class and learn the secrets of Vietnamese cuisine from a local chef. Or simply strike up a conversation with a street vendor and hear their stories. You'll discover that the people of Hanoi are just as much a part of the city's charm as its ancient landmarks and delicious food. Section 10. Hanoi, a tapestry of contrasts. Hanoi is a city of captivating contrasts, a place where ancient and modern, chaotic and serene, traditional and cosmopolitan intertwine seamlessly. It's a city that awakens your senses, challenges your perceptions, and leaves an indelible mark on your soul. You can spend your days exploring ancient temples and historical landmarks, and your evenings indulging in the city's vibrant nightlife. You can savor the flavors of street food that's both delicious and affordable, and then dine in upscale restaurants serving modern Vietnamese cuisine. You can lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Old Quarter, and then find peace and tranquility in the city's many parks and lakes. Hanoi is a city that embraces all its contradictions, and it's this unique blend that makes it so captivating. Section 11. A place forever etched in memory. Why Hanoi? So why should Hanoi be on your travel bucket list? Because it's a city that has it all: a rich history, a vibrant culture, delicious food, friendly people, and a unique energy that's impossible to resist. It's a city that will challenge your senses, broaden your horizons, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Hanoi is not just a destination, it's an experience, one that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. It's a city that will capture your heart and leave you yearning to return. So come, explore the heart